Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can report Australia visa scam on your mobile device to Australia's border watch. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body, so in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened Immigration Australia's visa scam section, where they have clearly written that if you are a victim of migration fraud, please report it to Australia's border watch. If you know someone who is involved in migration fraud and is operating illegally or as an unregistered migration agent, you can report them. So I'm gonna tap on border watch, and this is like mobile device. Okay, so here you need to tap on make a report. So it's border watch online reporting. So you should read. Of course I'm not going to make a report. You need to read and understand terms, condition, your details. So if you want, you can stay anonymous. So it's asking, do you want to stay anonymous? I select yes. If you select no, your report will remain completely confidential. You will be only contacted if more information is required. I mean, if an officer wants to get more information from you while the investigation is on, they can contact, but you can also remain anonymous. And if you are going to become anonymous, I would recommend put as much information as you can with every minute detail, so that the assigned officer does not have to struggle through it. Okay, it's asking if you have provided information about this before. I select no, tap on next. What are you reporting? Suspicious or illegal immigration or visa activity. So let's say you are doing this. What category describe the type of activity you are reporting? Like employer, sponsor. Let's say you want to report someone who is overstaying. Who and what are you reporting? An individual, business. So let's say you are reporting an individual. Then provide the details. Okay, address. And if there are more person involved, you can just click on plus. So try to put as much information as you can. The only mandatory field I see here is the name of individual, but that's not gonna be sufficient, right? Any information, date of birth, passport detail, gender, nationality, address, how many people living there, phone numbers, mobile number, email address, all these things can be turned vital. And one more thing, any social media link like Facebook, X platform, anywhere, that may create a lot of difference. So I'm just gonna go to the next screen. Now here, what information, what exactly you wanna report? For example, if this guy has been an overstayer, like living illegally, provide as much information as you can. Has this activity already occurred? So if this has gone on this, yes. Provide the information and how you became aware of. If you want to upload any evidence, any document, this is where you have to do upload now, and next is going to be submit. So of course I'm not going to submit this, but you got an idea how to do this on your mobile device. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.